Hey guys, this I built, and I will have an example with a toy that I don't like. He will probably be if you want him, just leave a like. Leave a like, please. Leave a like. Don't just like stutter. Okay, you just have to set this down. Yes, and of course you can do that if you want. The horses can walk. The itty bitty foals, and you can open the gates. Just kind of manage. So yeah, and then you can let them go in there. Yeah, and my little cute little kitten. Whee! Yes, I teleported. Soon I will be making a video of going Tractor Supply, but it will be very soon. And I'm just gonna set some videos out. What are you looking at? What are you looking at? Leave and maybe leave a like if she's the cutest. Because her mother is pregnant with more kittens, and why we decided to get a little cute kitten is because baby, she's like probably gonna die soon, but I'm not very sure. She's just the cutest little kitten ever. Okay, that's it. I'm done. If you just want to see a picture outside because when things uploading, it isn't a picture, but this is my LOL house. Doesn't it look cool? I have some LOL dolls to it. Yes, this is the living room, of course. But this is outside, very dark. I don't make videos this dark that much. Yes. This is my mother and my auntie. Yes. This will probably be up for merch, maybe. I'm not sure. Just Dad's cooking some dinner, right? Wanna hold it? You're watching TV. You're so cute. Mwah. Mwah. Comment down. Actually, you can't comment, but just leave a like if you have a kitten. She's the cutest. Well, we're gonna be going and I changed up my room a little bit since, and yeah. Okay, stop it. This is like a very big entertainment. Okay, that was a little bit fun, but yes, this will be the end of the video, and soon I will be doing other videos like this. Very soon, making a Tractor Supply video, and I will be watching YouTube after this. My viewers are at like 37%. So it's nighttime. I better go. So yeah. Say bye, kitten. Say bye to the vlog. Bye. Please leave a like. Comment down below. Actually, you can't comment, but whatever. I just love you guys. See you tomorrow. And yeah, maybe we'll make a Tractor Supply video in a few weeks. We're not very sure, but bye.